Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to sync your online storage on CapCut to mobile to Windows. Okay, so once you're on your Windows, make sure you download a CapCut desktop application already. And then once you do that, open up CapCut. Open up the CapCut desktop app. And then once you do that, you'll have the whole CapCut app here. So then you're going to want to go to your project synced. Okay, but first and foremost, make sure you're logged in. Make sure you're logged in to even sync to this. This is only syncable if you have a syncable account, which means you have to have an account here. So make sure you have an account. Then you go to project synced here, right? And this is the weirdest thing. You can go to settings, sure, and make sure that's good there, right? And then once you go to your settings, you're going to want to make sure that you have everything in your save to good, right? And then you want to go to general. You're going to want to scroll down here and then make sure you have automatic updates on and you're allow CapCut to send you notifications so it'll let you know and make sure that's there. Okay, you're going to hit save, right? And you're going to go back to project synced again, and then you're going to want to go to sync to Aqua space, right? Or sync to your space, whatever that is. This brings up your space, okay? So now that you have all your space here, you have more space when you're a pro member like me. Top of the line, paying, I'm rich, I have all the stuff right now. But no, so you have your space here, shows you how much space you have, and make sure that your account here is synced. So make sure you click this, and it's going to show your space here. Make sure it's there. Make sure you're the owner, okay? And make sure you have auto upload on, and make sure it has your space. Mine is AquaTechFantasy, that's my name. But then it's just going to have here auto upload. So make sure that's there. You can manage it, right? So once you have it on manage, you're going to want to go to sync items. Go to auto sync. Make sure you have auto sync on here. Click that on, okay? Have projects done, have exported videos done, and then you'll have your default space there. Your size limit, I say no size limit, just have no, and then hit save. And then after that, you're good, right? So then after that, we're gonna make sure on the phone that it's the same way, so it's working with your Windows computer and your mobile, okay? 1 second. Okay, we are on the phone here. So once you're in the phone, like I said, make sure that you are also logged into your account here. This should be the same account that you're logged in on to your desktop app here. So make sure they're both synced here together. And then once you do that, you're going to want to go to the settings here, right? And then once you go to settings, make sure you go to auto upload. And make sure you go to auto upload. Make sure that is checked. So all your projects, everything that's on your regular phone is going to go there. Upload it to your space. Mine said Aqua, but now it's showing the username that it's broken. Chinese site not. User data, Wi-Fi, size, no limit. You know what I'm saying? And then yeah, use data. Please don't cancel me, dog. Yeah, I was just joking. I was just joking, dog. For real, I was just joking. You know, for real. I was just joking. I love everything of Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, whatever you want to talk about. Bangkok, I bang with it, dog. For real. No, seriously. Like, I love everything technology. I love Xiaomi. I love Huawei. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Okay, listen, hey, no, but TikTok is broken. I mean, not TikTok. CapCut is broken. No, seriously. CapCut is so trash at some points. I love CapCut. Don't get me wrong. That's why I'm a pro member. But it's buggy. It's buggy. It's wacky. But I love it I love CapCut as I love Canva. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, make sure both of those are on there. You have the auto upload and then go back here and you're good. That is it. Everything is synced together. Everything is working. You are great. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace. Oh, I just ended the video and it said this, look, download these projects. You see how I saved it on the mobile version and now it said uploaded a minute ago because it's on here. I downloaded it. Guess what? Now it's on my computer. Now it's on my computer. Guess what? Now I can just click it. Now, guess what? Now I can just edit it. Hold on, put it on the other screen. Here we go. Bah, look at that. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, what I tell you? What I tell you? CapCut is on some cap trash. Look at that, bro. I put it up to the top. It's going white. Shadow to Casper, the ghost. What is it doing? Dog, you see what I mean? You see what I'm talking about? Now I got to make a video about this. Now I got to make a video about this. Now, actually, I think I did make a video about this. Wait, hold on. Anyway, I'm gonna make a video how to fix that, but as you can see, I cannot edit the video. Everything is on here. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.